Jen, this is Aaron. Just want to give you a quick run through of what our system is. We have a 3,500 gallon swimming pool here, and all of that drains down into our conical filter, our circular filter, spiral filter, whatever you want to call it, for our collection of solids. We drain that twice a day from here into our into a 5-gallon bucket, and then the remainder flows into our gravel media bed here for our biofiltration. And then the rest of the water snakes through our floating raft here, and then up through this pipe back into the pool. And then we have our raised beds here that we will use the sludge from our conical filter to fertilize this. We also have a drip line that we put in here. And then as you can see, we have an identical side over here. We also have Aquaponics barrels that we put in so we can grow duckweed and try to grow some other things in those barrels. This is where we have our water from our reserve tank plumbed in so that we can refill our tanks or water our beds either way. This manifold here is so we can try to cool our water off a little bit. This pool tends to run about 2 degrees cooler than the other one does since we put this in. We have two 50-inch fans up here, and we move about 40,000 cubic feet of air per minute with those fans. They're turned off now for the purpose of this video. We've started mulching here along the fence line to be able to plant in. That stuff is currently breaking down so that it can be used. And then our reserve tanks are here, so we pre-treat that water with sodium thiosulfate so that it can be used in our system. And then of course we have our compost over here. So that's what we have going on right now. Thanks.